Hello super friends, welcome back to my channel. Some of you have asked about the SuperFriend shirt. I am happy to announce that you can now buy this online. That is right, SuperFriend's online store is now open 24/7, including holidays like Christmas, New Year, Cinco de Mayo, I think, and even your days off, the store is open. Woohoo! I am very proud of this design. The logo, clean lines, very classic. The slogan on the back. Simple, yet very memorable. They just stand out. I've gotten a lot of compliments wherever I go, whenever I'm wearing this shirt. Oh, by the way, Patrick, thank you so much for helping me designing them. If you go to the online store now, with over 40 items to choose from, I believe you will find something you like for yourself, or now that the holidays are here, presents for your friends and family. I went to the online store and let me just say I got a little excited. I'm really happy with the design, so I got some for myself and as Christmas presents for my colleagues and friends. I also sent a couple of items to my sister in California. I'm confident they're going to love it. For this vlog, I'm going to do an unboxing video so I can show you how the other items look like. But before that, let me put it down first. But before we start unboxing, if you are new here, my name is Fernando. And if you're not subscribed yet, Maria Shows is watching you. Super friends, let us start unboxing. I mentioned earlier, there are over 40 items to choose from for men, women, kids, toddlers, babies, pets, dogs, and cats, I think. So it's guaranteed you will find something for everyone on my store. Here, first merchandise, a hoodie. Very nice, kind of thick, $44.50. So you have this classic logo on the front, and I'm a super friend on the back. If you only want the logo on the front and nothing on the back, it's going to be $4.50 cheaper, so $40. Right? Let me try it on. This is going to be great for presents. Christmas presents. Ooh. This is medium. Feels nice. Next, a shirt, t-shirt. Wow, delicious, delicious color. Again, the logo here. And I'm a super friend. This is medium also. Fruit of the Loom. This is $26.99, I think. You only want the design on the front and nothing on the back. It's going to be $4.50 cheaper. Wow, I love this color. Right, yum. Medium size. I'm a super friend. Next. Ooh, red. Voila! Apron, you can adjust. Big pockets on the front. This is $20.99, I believe. Apron, cape. Next item, another shirt. Oh, God bless America. I love this one. Let me try. This is medium size also. $32.99. Oh, it feels nice. God bless America, my home, sweet home. Ooh. If you only want the logo, again, on the front and nothing on the back, it's going to be $4.50 cheaper. $32.99 Mine is for $20.50. Right? I'm a super friend. Oops! Flex Fit. Right? What do you think? In the navy. Very, very nice logo. I love it. And mugs. The mugs you're going to love. That's why it's very heavy. I got all these mugs. Come on. Hey. Here. Oh, look how pretty. And it's navy. And super shot on the other side. This is $20.99 also. Again, if you only want the logo, it's going to be cheaper. I got a lot for my colleagues and friends as presents. This one, I made a mistake. Look at that. Anyhow, it has been corrected already. So if you go to the website, you will see the logo here and this super shout out on the other side. Now, how would you like to wake up in the morning drinking a cup of coffee with your mug saying, Super shout out, Fernando? Let me show you the other color. Whew, that's why it's so heavy. I don't know how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9? Here we go. I hope this is the red one. Oh, red. How pretty. Right? And again, look at the design. The logo. Super shout out. I'm going to give this to my friends and colleagues with a note saying that I made a mistake. But you know, this is going to be a collector's item. I love this shirt. American flag on the sleeves. Red apron. Cap. I'm ready for 4th of July cookout. So what are you waiting for, Super Friends? Head to the Super Friends online store now and get your favorite merchandise for yourself and as presents for your friends and family. And don't forget to take a selfie with the merchandise and send it to me. That has been our unboxing video of the day. I hope you enjoyed it. Be kind, be safe, and be a super friend. Salamat! I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye! Wait for the bloopers. Some of you have asked, some smile. Some of you have asked about, you will find something you like for yourself, or now that the holidays are here, presents, ay caramba, I believe you will find something you like for yourself, or now that the holidays are yeah! I'm going to do an unboxing video of this merchandise box so you can see how. But before we start, let me put it down first. If you're new here, my name is Fernando, and you're not subscribed yet, Maria Shows is watching you. Super friends.